What is up, guys? It's MLG Toby here. What the heck? So today we're gonna react to some Sedge ringtones that I just found. Shut up. That one isn't musically, no.
Incoming call. Please answer or press ignore.
Wait. Apple update. Gee. There's another one from the one that I have. This one. You know what? I should change it into this one. Yeah, so I don't really care what they say, guys. Just oh! So let's get it as my notification sound update. Alarm and ringtone. Oh. Now let me go to my clock. I know it's not gonna start. It's just gonna go like. Yeah, see, nothing's gonna happen. Look. All you're just gonna hear is like that. Like, look. Yeah, see? Stopwatch, they suck a lot. That's why I don't like stopwatches. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and a subscribe.